Bonjour Legopins and welcome back to another video. So wait, don't skip, you gotta listen to this disclaimer, alright? So basically this week's video, I'm gonna talk about how it would feel like explaining the current coronavirus to our kids or grandkids in the year 2050. Let's fast forward, okay? 2050, that's 30 years from now, okay? But I'm only gonna speak from the point of view of a person living in Singapore because I only know what's it like in Singapore. So I'm not speaking for anyone else in other parts of the world. So if this video, it seems like it's an understatement to what others are going through in other parts of the world, I'll just repeat myself again. I'm only speaking from the point of view of a Singaporean because I only know what's going on here. I don't know how other people in other parts of the world are going through or what they're going through, so I'm only speaking for myself, okay? And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this week's video explaining the 2020 coronavirus to our kids, all grandkids, in the year 2050. Boom! Hello. Oh yes, hi grandson. Oh yes, I'm very fine, I just took my little space car out for a spin. Yes. How, what can I do for you? Why you call me now? Just get to the point. Yes. Okay. Hi. Yeah, so I've got this essay, okay, I just need your help real quick. So I've got this essay that's due in tomorrow, and the teachers told us to write an essay about the coronavirus that happened in 2020. So the teachers told us to use stuff in the textbook, but you lived through that period, right? So maybe you could tell me stuff, extra points that I could put in there. I might get first grade, gotta up my game. So yeah, could you just tell me some stuff, please? Thanks. The coronavirus? Okay, of course I'll tell you. Alright, so coronavirus, right? I'll tell you, in 2020, those were some dark times. Okay, I'll tell you now, okay? Okay, I'll tell you, you're right. Better get first grade. Okay, let me tell you all about it. So in 2020, there was the coronavirus. It started in a small place in China called Wuhan. So all around the world, people was thinking, we won't get it because only in that place have, so they will have it and they will handle it and they will finish it there, okay? But because of the globalization, everybody got it, all the countries got it. And then we in Singapore, at the bottom of the Asian map, okay, we thought we very far, we wouldn't get it. But guess what? It happened. It struck us. So it struck us. And when it struck us, it started with small numbers, little bit only. And so Prime Minister said, he announced, there is a few coronavirus cases. And guess what happened? Just guess. You tell me now, guess. You tell me. No, nobody tried to find vaccine yet. No, nobody cried. I'll tell you, shut up and listen. I'll tell you what happened. The moment Prime Minister said this announcement, everybody go to the shop. Everyone, trust me, everybody went to the shop. And they go to the shop and instead of buying medicine, they buy toilet paper, they buy rice, they buy noodles, they buy egg, they buy potato, everything that's needed for cooking. Then they go to the pharmacy and they raided the pharmacy with the mask, the thermometer. I want to buy thermometer, they tell me, don't have. Okay, so basically they just go panic buying, okay, because it's like an automatic button here in Singapore, virus, buy, virus, buy, virus, buy. Prime Minister address nation many times to talk about a certain numbers, when the numbers are rising. Every time Prime Minister say, I going to address the nation, before he address nation, we address the shops. We address and we rate the shops every time. 3 times he give announcement, 3 times also we rate the shop, because everybody house become a warehouse. Don't know what they're going to do with the stuff also. They still buy. Did I buy? Yeah, I did. I need to fit in with the rest, but I tell you, don't do this kind of things, okay? Because after I bought, everything smelly because rotten in the house, because no use for it. So yeah, it took me 3 months to clean up the house. I'm telling you, next time you've got this kind of things, you don't buy like this, okay? Just stick. Just last time my grandfather tell me, I never listen, okay? Back to the point. So that's the thing that happened. Everybody, that's the first thing, okay? Everybody raiding shops and raiding pharmacies, and yeah, raiding bubble tea shops also, and a lot of things happen in bubble tea shops also. Let's not talk about that. That's darker than the virus, okay? Now let's move on. So when everybody got this kind of thing already, everybody panic because natural human, and then we realize not only us, all around the world, Italy got, Spain got, America got. It's very scary times, okay? Write it down. Better write in there. So what I'm telling you, right? Okay. So now government have to do something to help all of us, right? So what the government do? They started up with a very small thing. They just do once a week you stay at home and you study. Don't go to school for that one day. So everybody earnestly studying at the home with video conferencing with the teachers. I'm sorry, wrong. I'm talking about 2040. Last time in 2020 got no computer.
No computer? Right, so so you're telling me that you guys had no computers in 2020. So what's up with the video games and stuff? Oh, so you guys had no video games. So what's Fortnite?
Yeah, there's no computer. You trust me, 2020 we don't have computer yet. What video games? Fortnite, stupid boy. 2015 really don't know what's Fortnite. Monday is first night, Tuesday second night, Wednesday is third night, Thursday is Fortnite. That's Fortnite. There is no such thing as video games, okay? Last time I don't have this kind of things, okay? So we need to study at home once a week, right? So what I do, all my friends, we have to wear masks and wear a big potato sack, okay? They take the potato sack, you know, potatoes are very thick, right? They take about 10 of that, they sew, make it like one suit, and we wear like Spider-Man. We go to teacher's house to study. That's how hard we had to study, okay? And then, so that we had to do all that just to study, okay? You shut up and listen, trust me, we did that, okay? Then after we study like that, the next week, guess what happened? The next week, cases too high already, government say full study from home. So every day we take potato sack, we sew like that, and Spider-Man go to teacher's house every day. Teacher also so sick and tired of looking at our face in the window because we all, I told you right, last time we no computer but we got spider web. Now only because you're so stupid and polluted, no more spider already. Last time Spider-Man is real, trust me. Last time Spider-Man real. I was a Spider-Man, okay, trust me. So I'm a Spider-Man, I put my web on the window, sit at the window, carry the whiteboard like that and study from the teacher. 1 month like that, and after going to finish the 1 month, we all thought, yes, we're going to go back to school already. I know it's surprised, right? We want to go back to school but we're very excited to go to school. Government said another 1 more month, one more, okay, 1 more month, okay. See, I getting very worked up already because it's so dark times, memories coming back, no? So the government say 1 more month, but we all understand why the government doing like this, okay, because we need to combat this coronavirus. So we also say, okay, 1 more month. But then the government dropped another bomb on the Singaporeans. He said, no more bubble tea. Last night I told you, right, bubble tea had some dark things going on there. Or bubble tea shops, they raided bubble tea shops. A lot of dark things, darker than coronavirus took place there. Let's not talk about that one. That one you write in your essay, your teacher will drop down date. What happened in the bubble tea shop? So that raided bubble tea shop, all the hair salon they closed, everybody look like jungle like that. Trust me, look like gorilla from Tarzan, okay? So they do that kind of things. And then everybody is sitting at home, people go so cuckoo already. Some are banging wall, some are banging things, some are banging other things that not supposed to be banged. Don't ask me all that. PG-13, okay? But a lot banging going on, okay? After that, what they're doing, they are so cuckoo already, they break TV. They thought, if I break TV, maybe I'll be okay. After break TV, they, how to watch movie now? No movie. So TV, last time you're asking how TV is, I tell you, TV is a big, very big fat thing, because you must connect to the cable on top. What's Netflix? Don't talk to me about your era things, okay boy? Be respectful. Last time I don't know all this Netflix, chicken feet and all this, okay? So anyways, all these kind of things are going on. And then when everybody thought things couldn't get worse, oh, that's when the worst took place. You trust me, I tell you what happened. So people when the people die from coronavirus, rest in peace, okay? But when people die from coronavirus, people always say, okay, put in the mortuary, we try to find a vaccine. But no, they started to wake up again. And guess what? We had a zombie apocalypse. Yes, you heard that right. A zombie apocalypse going on in the country, and not just in the country, all around the world got zombie apocalypse. So now got coronavirus, got zombie virus also, got raiding virus, got bubble tea virus, got banging virus. So many viruses just in 1 year. Okay, 2020. Okay, let me tell you some more. Okay, down because zombies already. So last time I'm only what 16 years old. No, you trust me. Last time maths different, now maths different. Okay, every time 5 years maths changing. Okay, you know, I know. Shut up and listen. Okay, last time I'm 16, now I'm 63. Yes, in 30 years I became 63 because I told you last time 2020 got Spider-Man, got a lot of magicians also. I was a Spider-Man. I also magician. I can make time change, like Doctor Strange. See the rhymings change. Okay, back to point. So last time I saw under my block, I saw 2 zombies in middle of the night, and I got so scared. The zombie looked at me like, you know how scary it is. So I decided I have to barricade myself in my room. So I barricade myself in my room. I lock my room door. I push the bed so zombies cannot come. All the zombies starting to spread, and a lot of zombies coming around in the town. And then the town become a ghost town. Everything abandoned. So what I did, trust me, I did this. I will never forget how I looked like superhero last time. I break into a shop. Yes, last time guns are very common in this place. Okay, so I break into the shop. I take rifle, take bullet to pop the bullet inside the gun. Take gun where make a shield, make armor, put bullets all very nice, and I sling it over on my shoulder like that. Carry big sword in my pocket, and I go out on an adventure to find a cure. Okay, so I am a boy with a gun and knife, everything. I steal a car and I drive around the country to find a cure and kill zombie. I was known as the zombie killer. Trust me. You trust me. Your grandfather was a zombie killer, zombie slayer. Okay, I don't kill so many zombies, and at last, did I find a cure? No. Government find cure. So government find cure. And yes, help everybody, and everybody cure. The whole world become very nice place. In 8 months everything back to normal, which means full of stupid fools again. But in 8 months everything was back to normal. Okay, food was very tough. What is grab? I grab you by your head, and you know there is no such thing, all these things. Okay, last time cannot even see the place properly. Okay, last time 2020, old world is still very old. Okay, no such thing, grab la, Netflix, all this don't have it last time. Okay, so that's how we struggle for food also. We have to go and hunt for food. We hunt because last time in this place got a lot of tiger, lion, everything. We hunt. No, we didn't eat the bats. Why, you ask me? Little do you know. But no, we didn't eat the bat, but we eat other things: chicken, goat, sometimes rabbit. But yeah, we survived that way. We carry spear, everything we went. There's no such thing as technology in 2020. Now 2050, you all very lucky, you know. Just press button, food coming with motorbike guy in a green suit and a green bag. Okay, so that is how the one is last time. Was it very helpful? Helpful, yes. Okay, you better get first grade on your essay. Coronavirus in 2020, very hard time, dark times last time. I'm telling you. Understand? Okay, cut the call now. Hello! Yes, hello Samson. How are you today? Your 66th birthday just took place, right? Yeah, oh no lah, my grandson just called on the phone lah. You know, he asking me about the coronavirus. He want to write an essay. Oh yes, he cut call already. So he said he want to write an essay about coronavirus. Teacher asked him in 2020. You remember not? 30 years ago, what happened to us? Yeah, I told him story. But of course, I told him how it is. But not the proper thing lah. I actually didn't tell him the whole thing. Oh, you want me to tell you? Okay, let me tell you. Okay, you remember last time how actually it was or not? We all just sitting in the chair, watching the Netflix, watching some good shows. Money heist. Yeah, and then we buy ice cream, eat ice cream, then home delivery, all the McDonald's, everything. Then McDonald's suddenly shut down. We took a rifle or like playing a Nerf gun only. Yeah, remember not? Then remember we take the water balloon, we throw outside the window and all the people sitting outside. Yeah, government tell them stay at home, they choose to sit outside. I had the government, I put water balloon and throw. Yeah, you remember or not? Yeah, then you deliver the water balloon to me. Yeah, then also I didn't tell him about all our midnight snacks all when we called the home delivery, and then also all the, remember we play a lot of COD, PUBG, Mobile Legend, all that gaming events. And I told him that last time, no technology, stupid boy, believing me. Stupid, he believing me. He thought that we all live in ancient world of 2020. Actually for us not that bad. Other people were suffering more than us lah. True. But actually I make it seem like, because I need my grandson look at me like that, right? Correct. We need to think that we were national heroes suffering a lot. Then only the people will shut up and learn where their place is. You know, these bloody brats now, all this everything think they're very pro. They're better than us. You know, teaching me how to play COD. But I need to maintain, like I don't know how to play COD. But I tell you, if I go there, go inside the COD, I'll shoot everybody down. I'm telling you. And I told him about zombies because I just tell him there was a zombie apocalypse and I killed the zombies. Yeah, I know I was the worst at the zombie killing game, but I make it seem like I'm the best in it now lah. Somehow I make it like a real life, you know. I think you better tell your grandchildren this kind of stories. Also add the dinosaurs. Remember after the coronavirus, the dinosaur came. I tell them that kind of thing also. Just make them believe it. These stupid brats won't know anything. Okay, bye Samson. Have a good one. Bye. Hello? Oh boy, you didn't cut the call.
Oh no, I didn't. Why didn't you just hit me with the dinosaur story also? You should have just told me about the dinosaurs and the aliens. You should have just told me. Let me just ask you one question, okay? Are you sure you're my grandfather, you bloody old?
Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I post every single week. And yeah, I'll probably do this in like the year 2030 or 2040 to like my kids or like any young kids at that point of time, because I mean, it's not like they were here at this point of time. They weren't watching what we were doing. I'm just gonna hit them with a zombie, dinosaur, alien story. Yeah. Okay. And yeah, okay, guys. And with all seriousness, okay, let's put our heads and hands together. Okay, we're gonna get through this. I promise you guys. Okay. And all my social media links will be down in the description below, which includes Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.